The royal residence of Balmoral Castle has captivated the hearts of King Charles fans, who are swooning over the heavenly new photos of this beloved Scottish home. But what makes this place so special? And why are these images causing such a stir? The recent social media post showcases the enchanting gardens of Balmoral, bathed in the morning light. The meticulously maintained flower beds and hedges, along with the historic castle's majestic presence, create a breathtaking scene. Fans couldn't agree more, gushing over the ethereal beauty captured in these photos. And that's not all. The post also teases a festive event, a wreath-making class, inviting followers to join in the holiday spirit. But here's where it gets interesting. This royal retreat holds a unique place in history. Balmoral Castle, acquired by Queen Victoria and Prince Albert in 1852, is a private residence of King Charles III, offering him the freedom to personalize it to his taste. It was here that Queen Elizabeth II spent her final days, making it the first royal residence where a monarch passed away. The castle's 50,000 acres provide a picturesque backdrop for royal summers, filled with hiking, horse riding, and picnicking. Imagine enjoying a leisurely lunch in the dedicated picnic cottage when the Scottish rain starts to fall. The interior design of Balmoral is a testament to its Scottish heritage, featuring tartan fabrics, plaid carpets, and stag heads adorning the walls. It truly embodies the essence of a Scottish retreat, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. But what do you think? Is Balmoral Castle the epitome of royal charm, or does it fall short of the hype?
Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's discuss the allure of this iconic residence.